In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L1110 printer driver and EcoTank printer in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you get a best matched, which is a Google Chrome. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. In a few seconds, you would be navigated here at the Google Chrome. Just expand it and navigate here at the search bar and type for Epson L1110 printer driver. Okay, and click on the first result, which is under Epson.com. Eventually, you would be redirected to this page. Please scroll down and click on Downloads to refresh it and kindly wait until you get an option where you can select your operating system or your OS. So here, once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on Go to proceed. In a few moments again, this page would be refreshed. Kindly wait until you will get this download again. Click on this downloads option and kindly wait until you will see a printer driver that you can download. Okay, so once it's here, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate web drivers. Click on it and click on download. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on accept and do just have to download it. Okay, wait until it would be downloaded. Once done, copy and move that to the desktop. Okay, so please copy and move that to the desktop and it would be placed here. Okay, so the next step that you need to do is you need to double tap to extract the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So click on extract to L1110 printer driver and wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once it's here, okay, we need to proceed to the installation. So by that, here at the start, I can make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, navigate directly at the left side and locate with Bluetooth and devices, tap on it, and please choose for printers and scanners. And click on add device and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually. And the moment this window would show up, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Choose a printer port among of these three USB port. Okay, no other than that, and click on next. And from here, since our click on have and since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. Scroll down on the list, choose this one, extracted file, double tap to it, double tap once again until you can see the printer driver. Select any of this function similarly, so no worries for that. Just select any, click on open, click on OK, and it would be placed here, which is the printer driver that we want to install. Click on next, and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. And you just have to go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed Epson L1110 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.